Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.